If you just got your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2, you probably don't realize how powerful this teeny device really is. So in this video, I will show you some amazing tips and tricks that will make your SmartTag super useful in everyday life. So let's dive in. So the first amazing thing I'm gonna show you is how to find your phone instantly. So now you're wondering how your SmartTag can help with that? Well, this is actually one of the most asked about features. So for that, you have to head over to your SmartThings app, choose your SmartTag, and here you have to go for Smart Button Action and enable this Find Phone or Tablet. So what happens? Now just double press on your SmartTag2 and see your phone will ring even if it's on silent mode. This is actually the feature people use every day to save time and stress. Next, I'm gonna show you one of the most important security features you should definitely enable, the Lost Mode. To turn this on, you have to open up your SmartThings app, go to View Map, and from here, you will see the Lost Mode option. Now just enter your contact details and turn it on. So if someone finds your SmartTag anywhere, they can tap it using NFC and instantly see your information. And this actually making it easy for them to contact you. And this feature gets even better once you enable Lost Mode. No one can reset your SmartTag or set it up on their phone. Isn't it really secure? Now the third security feature you need to know about, this one's perfect if you always forget your SmartTag. Just open the SmartThings app, go to View Map again, and here we'll find two handy options, Notify when left behind and Notify when movement detected. Turn both of this on and you will get instant alerts if you ever leave your SmartTag or if it starts moving unexpectedly. The fourth trick I'm gonna show you is something many people are curious about. Can I actually see where my SmartTag was or find it if it's nearby? In other words, how to check your location history. To see it, from your SmartThings app, go to View Map, and here we'll find the location history option, which actually lets you see all the places your tag has been. And if you want to find where it is right now, just tap this search nearby, and you can even play a sound to locate it easily. This is actually super easy to keep track of your SmartTag with location history and search nearby. Now here's the most amazing part, you can actually use your SmartTag as a mini remote. This is one of the most fun and underrated features that many people miss. So on your SmartTag settings, find the Smart Button Action option, and here under Automation section, you will find two options, pressed and held. And choose any of this and go for add what this routine will do. So now you will see a list of options, you can make it do lots of things, but let's use it as a remote control. So select control devices and you will see all your connected devices. I'm choosing my smart TV, then tap next and pick what you want to do. I will set it to turn on the TV. Once you are done, press save and you can even add an emoji for fun. So now whenever you press your SmartTag button, your TV turns on just like a remote. This is actually pretty handy and super cool. After exploring all these amazing features, now let's check out how you can customize your SmartTag and make it truly your own. So open up your SmartThings app, select your SmartTag and tap the three dot. Then choose Edit Device. And from here, you can change the device name. You can also pick an icon that matches what you use it for, like a car, bag, or pet, and save your changes. Now to change the SmartThings image, go to View Map, tap Change Device Image, and select a photo from your gallery or camera. Once you save it, your SmartTag will appear with that custom image, so it looks more personal and eye-catching than ever. And now the last part you should know about battery life and range and accuracy. The SmartTag2 battery lasts up to 500 days in normal mode and around 700 days in power saving mode. And now in range and accuracy, it can track up to 120 meters in open areas, and with ultra-wide band and search nearby, you will get super precise location and direction to your tag. These are the most important and exciting useful SmartTag2 tips and tricks that you should definitely try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who use Samsung SmartTag2.